Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing the Pokemon Go hack with the joystick. So as you can see, I'm using an Android device, which you need. It wouldn't work on iPhone, I don't know why, but so first of all you're going to need to go on to so you need to go onto Play Store and type in Fly GPS, and as you can see, you'll see this with this little wings on the earth. So I'm going to go through the things that you need to do. As you press Fly GPS, well, I've already done it, but it will come up with some settings. So what you've got to do is follow the steps what you need to do, and if it says you have to cover on top or something like that, just press one of the games what you want to do it on, and then press back, and then come back on this, and it will work like this. So just to make sure it works, so I'm going to go off it on the Pokemon Go, just showing you that it works. And it loads. So as you can see, it's loaded, and just to show that it works, look, joystick's working, and there's there is a few downfalls to this, but I've not really experimented them yet. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you like this tutorial of how to get the Pokemon Go joystick. So see ya.